Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your payouts on app Flame, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that at the home page at the top of the screen you can see the second option is payouts. Click on that and you can see that the app will pay you through your PayPal account, and you can see the exact coins and the money that you will get if you reach that amount of coins. Here, because I'm in Romania, it shows the local currency, but if you are in another country, then it will show you that currency. And if you go back to your home page, then you can see that each game has an exact amount of coins that pays for 1 minute. So if you want to check your coins, you can do that if you go to the bottom of the screen and click on that arrow, and here you can see that for each day how many coins have you got. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.